Hey YouTube, and welcome to my first ever trade analysis slash reviews. I'll be using ICT concepts. Basically, I've been studying his concepts and trying to implement it to my trading, and so far this year in 2023 it has been working really well, and I am impressed. So basically this is going to be my journal on his trades, his concepts, and my trade ideas using his concepts. And basically, I hope you guys find this insightful. Students out there learning ICT concepts, I hope this will be inspiring and helpful. So without further ado, let's get into the charts. So here we have pound USD on the daily chart. It is 24th of January 2023, and as we zoom in here, we can see that we have approached a key level, and we kind of slightly broke out the highs here, and we took some liquidity, so we kind of rejected, you can say rejected this zone right here, or this level, on Monday, and then price traded sideways here. And as soon as Tuesday came, I was thinking, okay, maybe we can potentially go down and then go back up to take out these liquidities resting above these highs, or go back up and then go down. So it doesn't have to take out this liquidity, basically just retracing, creating a top wick, and then go down to break these lows. And so that was the plan for the day. And then I can put on the lipstick here, which I just undo here, and these were my lipsticks. And let's go into the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, as we can see, this was the recent daily swing low here. This zone here is basically premium and discount, the daily premium and discount from this swing low to this swing high. So on Monday, we can see we traded down here and took out these sell side liquidities here, and then we traded back up, and so I can still see more sell side liquidity resting here. So I was expecting price to attack those areas. So now we have replay mode on, and basically I woke up at 5 a.m. Central Time, and what I can see here was price came down to this previous daily low and took out the lows. Let's just look at prices on a small time frame. So let's go ahead and do it. As you can see on this 5-minute, we have a huge sell side imbalance and buy side efficiency here, a huge liquidity void, which might not be filled at all today, because we never know what's gonna happen. So we will just react to what we see on price action. As we can see, I came in here, so let's just play the chart on the 5-minute, and here we can zoom down to the 1-minute here, and as you can see on the 5-minute and on the 1-minute, we have sell side liquidity here. Basically, price is attracted to sell side liquidity, where you can see all these relative equal lows, so we are anticipating price to attack them. But as we look here, I waited for price to attack these buy side liquidities first, to take these short sellers or people who want to go long above these prices, to take them out first. And so that's what I waited for. So let's play the replay mode. As you can see, price got manipulated by going up and taking all these buy side liquidities. And then here was when I got interested. As we go down here, see this huge displacement bearish candle which tells me that okay, it is time to short here and attack this sell side liquidity. So I waited for this fair value gap. It's already there. So as you can see, there's a fair value gap formed, and so I had my market order or my sell limit order right here. As we can see, the market structure shifted, indicating that we are bearish now, and after buy side liquidity was taken, so price was tapped into our fair value gap, and so we are in a short position. As you can see here, there are more sell side liquidities resting here, so I was getting ready to see it broken. We did in fact broke that zone. Price was lingering over here. I already had my stop loss to break even once we reached a 1-to-1, and at the end of the day we got a 1 to 5.9 risk to reward after our targets got hit. So that was our first trade of the day on Tuesday. So after that pre-New York trade, we had to wait for New York news for the dollar, but to be frank, I took a silly trade here, somewhere over here, thinking that we are going to go up already. But so yeah, I think I took this trade here, thinking that sell side liquidity was taken, and then we were hitting, say we were going to go up to here because market structure shifted. So I think I bought here and then I got stopped out. Anyways, we were waiting for news, and news came at 8:45 here, and so what we see here, we are in a discount zone, so we might be gunning for longs here, but we don't know yet. So let's see what to do. We see sell side liquidity is taken, so what's next is buy side liquidity. As we can see, let me just remove this. Buy side liquidity resting up here, so we want to target that as soon as we see price give us the hint that we are going up there. And here, as time goes, New York Stock Exchange has opened, and as we see here, we have a market structure shift with this light bulb noted here. And also here was when I thought that okay, we should get in here because sell side has already been taken and a market structure shift has clearly shown, and this was a bullish breaker, so this is a key level already. So I wanted to enter down here in this fair value gap. My stop loss was about 10 pips, and as you know, we are targeting buy side liquidity. Okay, let's play price and see how it turned out today. We broke through the fair value gap and then immediately broke back up. Fortunately, our stops protected us, and that's why we should have a 10 to 15 pip stop loss. That's what ICT suggested, so 10 or 15 stop loss I believe is really reasonable. So let's go ahead, and price immediately went skyrocketing up here. And I believe we took break even here, and then we also entered another trade from over this fair value gap here, and I took another trade. We waited for price to take out this liquidity, and as you can see, buy side liquidity was taken, moving into our premium zone. So basically shorting from premium and buying from discount. So I believe this trade was it for the day, and I called it. This was a phenomenal day. Two winning trades that are really, really insightful. Although I took a small little loss there because I was impatient, that goes to show that we really have to control our emotions and follow, especially our time, and follow our plan. So I hope you found this insightful, and I hope you found these concepts helpful as well, and in hopes you can implement them in your trades as well. So good luck all of you guys, and thank you for watching.